In this video, I'm going to be analyzing the best stocks to be buying for summer of 2025. As you know, Tom Lee has said that tech stock has been extremely oversold here in the past couple of weeks. Today, as of filming this video, it's April 22nd, 2025. I am going to be looking at the Mag 7 here, and that is including Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, and Nvidia. I really think these are all safe bets and that the overall market is extremely sold, especially in the tech sector right now. If you take a look at any of these stocks, you'll notice that all of them are below its 200-day moving average, and not just a little bit, but a ton, right? We'll first take a look at Amazon stock here, currently at 173. I really think this is a really good dip opportunity to be buying between 161 and 180. If you missed the chance and you're watching this video later on, even between 180 and 204 here, I wouldn't mind dollar cost averaging for Amazon stock, as I do believe the all-time high here at 242 is going to be tested. And if we zoom out here, that is going to be close to a 45% move. You got Apple stock as well, now currently at 199. I believe anywhere between 173 and 206 is a really good dip opportunity for Apple stock. If you missed that chance as well, anything below the 200-day moving average, which is below 227, is a pretty good dip opportunity for Apple stock, where I don't mind dollar cost averaging as well. Again, to the all-time high, that's close to a 35% move. You've got Google here, currently at 150, all-time high at 206. While we are between 145 and 160, this is where I would look to add a bigger position. Between 160 and 177, I don't mind dollar cost averaging here for Google stock. You've got a 40% move here to the top side. Okay, now it's going to Microsoft here at 364. The all-time high being at 465, so basically 100 whopping dollars above from where we are today. That is going to be a 29% move all the way back up to the top side. While we are between 337 and 367, this is where I would look to add a bigger position into Microsoft. Between 367 and 405, that's where I would look to add and small positions at a time and dollar cost average into Microsoft stock. You've got Meta here, 493 at the moment. To the all-time high, that's a 55% move. Anything between 413 and 490, I would look to add a bigger position. Now, since we're above 490, I don't mind dollar cost averaging small positions at a time between 490 and 586. All right. I do think these price ranges are still going to be relevant going into summer of 2025. And if it's still relevant, that's where I would personally still be dollar cost averaging in the ranges I've been talking about. All right, Tesla here going to be the high risk mover, but I still think it's a really good dip opportunity, especially if you're a long-term investor, right? If you believe in robotics and the EV of Tesla and its technology's future, I highly recommend checking out Tesla and doing due diligence, right? I'm not forcing anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but I am going to share with you my personal opinion. While we are below 250, I am personally adding a bigger position here for Tesla stock. You can see the 200-day moving average is at 291. It's this orange line right here. Anything below the 200-day moving average, I don't mind adding a small position at a time. And then this red line that you see here, this horizontal red line, that is at 250, meaning anything below 250, I personally wouldn't mind adding a bigger position in the Tesla stock. I do believe Tesla will retest its all-time high, and that is going to be a whopping 113% move back up to the top side, okay? Tesla here is actually going to be my top 2 purchases in my personal portfolio. Again, if you want to take it safer, route, I would take a look at Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, or Meta. But again, Tesla there is going to be my top 2 picks here, okay? Nvidia here is also going to be my top 2 picks, currently at $99. All right. If you move this all the way up to the all-time high, that's a 59% move, close to a 60% move here to 153. And again, currently at 99. The 200-day moving average is at 126. So anything below 126, I don't mind dollar cost averaging. I've got this red line here at about 107. Anything below 107, I don't mind adding a bigger position into Nvidia. All right. Especially if we dip down below 96 again, between 78 and 96, that's where I would look to add a really big position for Nvidia stock long term. And as a normal investor, I think even between $117 and $96 is a pretty good preferable price range for me buying into Nvidia stock, okay? I don't mind holding this long term. I don't mind bag holding it a little bit. I know that the tech and Mag 7 are all going to be consistently going back up to its all-time high. If we just look at it historically, Mag 7 always retests its all-time high. It's just a matter of time and patience. And so I really do think during the summer of 2025, if these price ranges are still there, those are the price ranges I would be buying into these tech stocks, right? These Mag 7 stocks here are looking to retest its all-time high. And I think as of right now, it's a really strong dip opportunity as of spring 2025. If we continue to go sideways, this is why I titled the video Summer of 2025. If we do go sideways or dip down further, I really think these stocks are going to do extremely well 1 year out from now, 2 years out from now, and 3 years out from now, right? If you are a long-term investor, stop looking at 2 months from now, 3 months from now, 4 months from now. Start thinking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Think about historically how much the Mag 7 has moved and how much further it could potentially move, right? I think dollar cost averaging into Mag 7 is going to be extremely well, and Tesla and Nvidia I think are going to be the top 2 stocks that will pay off the most going into the future. That's just my personal opinion. Let me know down below what's your favorite Mag 7 stock, and let us know why as well. If you want to join our Discord, it's free to join. Link down below in the description. There's over 32,000 people, and there's a dedicated chat section for each of the Mag 7. Yes, that includes Nvidia, Tesla, Meta, Microsoft, Google, Apple, and Amazon. And I'm going to go ahead and be honest, Tesla and Nvidia are the top 2 most popular channels in our community, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like the video if you want to support the channel, and subscribe, turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next one.